Some of you may be familiar with a square knot, where you have a left and right strand, and you're putting the left over the right, making a loop. Now you're taking the right strand, putting it over the left, and make a loop. And that gives you your square knot. In this video production, we are demonstrating the creation of asynchronous content to teach the skill of hand tying knots. The goal is the use of content for practice by medical students and mid-level practitioners, such as nurse practitioners and physician associates, and anyone needing to hand tie knots in surgery or wound management applications. I'm going to demonstrate the end goal, which is slip knot secured by square knots. So here's our slip knot. It's 1, 2, secured by a square knot. This is used in surgery such as to attach tendon to bone. The slipping or sliding nature of the knot brings things such as tissue together during surgery. Let's separate these two knots out again. The slippage knot. There's 1, there's 2. Really doesn't matter how many you make. You can go for 4 here. So these slip knots look uniform. And they tension. But under a load, they become untensioned. So this gap, because of the slipping nature of the knot, can be closed. But again, under a load, you can see how that fails. So the advantage is that it slips. The disadvantage is that it fails under a load. So what you want to do is learn how to make slip knots, tension them, finish them with a square knot. There's a square knot, and then a half of a square knot. Just to keep the square knot secure. And now you could add full body weight tension. There might be a little slippage, but the knot's not going to fail. So in closing, we want confidence. Students that have asynchronous access to accurate knot tying content will perform perfect practice. They will not waste time and effort on learning bad habits, practicing improper technique. They will show up confident and prepared to apply techniques during surgical cases.